Welcome back to Cooking Explorer. Hi everyone, welcome back to today's recipe and we are going to make decadent and moist chocolate cake with cheese frosting. Both the cake and frosting are easy to make. This recipe is so stunning for birthday cakes. Let's start with the recipe ingredients. We need 2 eggs, 100 g of flour, 125 g of butter, 25 g of cocoa powder, 125 g of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now in a mixing bowl, we will combine our dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, shift it 3 times. In the second bowl, we are going to add the wet ingredients. Let's put all the butter in a bowl. Add sugar. Mix it well. Now it's time to beat the eggs. And next, we'll beat the butter mixture. Add vanilla essence. Mix it well. And I'm going to add egg little by little. Let's add the dry ingredients and start frosting. We'll beat it to remove the lumps, and I'm going to add the baking soda. Last, we'll beat around 5 minutes. Cake batter is ready now. Pour the cake batter in a butter greased pan. At the same time, preheat your oven to 160 Celsius. Bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. Now the moist chocolate cake is ready. It's gone with the cream cheese frosting, along with roasted cashew nuts, pista, almonds. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. If you like my video, give a thumb up, give your comments in my comment box. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press down the bell button for more notifications. Thank you.